Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'll show you guys how to mock up designs using Photopea. So firstly, make sure your data is on. We're making use of our data for this because this is a web design. So head to Chrome or any of your browser extension and then type Photopea. So you type Photopea and then you search. So the website will appear like this, and the next thing you have to do is to click on files at the upper side, files, and then click on open to import a mockup design template. So you import the mockup from where you saved it on your phone. The link on where you can get or download these files is on the description. I'll drop the link on the description for you guys. So you click on files, storage, click on the mockup. So I saved mine on download on my phone. So I'm just waiting for the stuff to load so I can import my Mockup PSD file. So this is it. I will be importing the PSD file, which is this. Right now is loading our mockup. So you wait for it to load, and before you continue your design, or before you continue the next step. So as you can see, we're making use of this logo mockup, this 3D glass logo mockup for our tutorial. So the next thing for you to do now is to click on this on the left icon layers, which is this, and then you click on your logo, double click on it this side, as you can see. So next now is to hide this stuff, the eye icon. Click on the eye icon and then exit the layer mode. Alright, so the next thing for you to do now is to import your design. I've done your design already, so all I have to do now is to import it. I make use of Pixellab to do my design, so you can do yours after watching our tutorials on how to make logos using Pixellab. You can do then import. Just save your designs as a PNG. Save your design on Pixellab as PNG or make it transparent. So next thing is to click on this file icon and then click on open and place this time around. Firstly we clicked on open, but now you have to just click on open and place, and then click on files or anywhere you save your design. So now I have to import my transparent PNG, which is this, already designed, and here it goes. So now I have to increase it to fit. Alright, I think okay with it like this, or I just adjust it a little bit. So I'm trying to put this design at the center. So after you imported your transparent design, the next thing you have to do now is to click on file at the right side of the upper side of your Photopea website, and then you click Save Smart Object, Control S. If you are using a laptop, but on phone, just click on Save Smart Object. So I've just clicked on it and you wait for it to load. So they are working on this, so you just have to wait until they've saved your design as a smart object. So we're waiting for it to load. And we're still waiting. Alright, I think we're done right now saving it as a smart object. So after this, now the next thing you have to do now is to click on the 3D glass at the side. As you can see, here you have 3D glass and your logo. So you just have to click on the 3D glass and wait for it to load. So all these clicks are done just once. So just click it on once, just click it once and allow this stuff to load. This is a web design markup, so it takes a bit. Yeah, as you can see, your design is ready. So the next thing you have to do now is to save your design into your phone. And to do this, you just click on the file icon and click in at export as. You can either save it as a PNG file or a JPEG file. At this point, you can, based on the fact that we have the background associated with the file, you can save this as a PNG or as a JPEG. So in this case, I will use the standard for a design with the background. So I'll use JPEG. So you click on JPEG and wait for it to load. So right now, you can select the size you want, the width and height of this design you want. So you can edit this or the other ones, and then according to how you want it to be. And after you're done, you just click on save right here, save, and something will pop up, a request to pop up to download, and you click on the download icon. As you can see here, we can open this. So let me open this. As you can see, this is our mockup already done. So guys, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new tutorials videos on how you can make amazing and awesome designs. If you're a new viewer or a new visitor to our channel, subscribe and work with us. So thank you.